Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial is we are diving into a side-by-side comparison of two popular scheduling tools, so the Microsoft Bookings and the Calendly. So if you're a business owner, a freelancer, or a professional who wants to simplify appointment scheduling, both tools are fantastic options, but they cater to slightly different needs. In this video, we will cover what Microsoft Bookings and Calendly are, their standout features, the ease of use, the pricing, the key differences, and their integrations. And by the end of this, guys, you'll have a clear idea of which tool best fits your workflow. So, of course, first up is the Microsoft Bookings. So, this tool is a part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem designed to help business manage customer appointments efficiently. So it's especially popular among service-based industries, just like healthcare, salons, and of course consulting firms. So here's what makes the Microsoft Booking unique. So integration with the Microsoft 365 suite, including Outlook and Teams. So we also have a customizable booking page for your clients, and automated email reminders, and of course their calendar sync. And here, guys, you also have their multi-staff and multi-service support, advanced customer and staff management tools. So if you are already using the Microsoft tools like the Outlook or Teams, their bookings seamlessly integrates into your workflow, so making it a natural choice for scheduling and communication. So now let's talk about Calendly, guys. Unlike Microsoft Bookings, Calendly is a standalone scheduling tool widely loved for its user-friendly interface and versatility. So here's what makes the Calendly special. It is very easy to share booking links that clients can use to schedule meetings here. We have their automatic syncing with popular calendars like the Google, Outlook, and of course the Apple. Customizable time slot, and of course their availability, the team scheduling options for group events, and their integrations with tools like Zoom, Slack, and Stripe for payments. So with Calendly, guys, you can send a single link to your clients and they will see your availability in real time, making the booking process quick and seamless. So let's compare the core features of Microsoft Bookings and Calendly side by side. So in the Microsoft Booking, guys, they offers detailed customization for appointment types and staff availability. Here in the Calendly, it is very simple, clean, designed with fewer advanced customization options. While when we talk about team management, guys, the Microsoft Bookings is ideal for multi-staff setups. Here, they allow their clients to choose specific staff members or the services. While here in the Calendly, they provide team scheduling but focuses more on availability over individual staff roles. But when it comes to calendar integration, the both website they sync seamlessly with Google Calendar, Outlook, and of course the Apple Calendar. And when we are talking about the notification and the reminders, these Microsoft Bookings include built-in email reminders and customer confirmations. While here in the Calendly, they offers reminder but advanced features like SMS notifications, they are available on only higher tier plans. So when it comes to ease of use, the Microsoft Bookings is best for those already using the Microsoft ecosystem. While here in the Calendly, extreme intuitive and beginner friendly even for non-Microsoft users here. So let's break down the pricing, guys. Of course, in the Microsoft Bookings, it is included with the most Microsoft 365 subscription, so starting at $6. So this is $6 user per month, and they have no additional cost if you are already a Microsoft 365 subscriber here. While in the Calendar, guys, don't worry, they offer free plan wherein they have their basic scheduling with one event type, and when you say premium plan, they have their $8 per month for more event types and integration. While they also have their Pro plan, which is the $12 per month for advanced features like team scheduling and payment collection. So if you are already subscribed to Microsoft 365, Booking offers great value. The Calendly's pricing is more flexible, making it ideal for users who don't need an entire office suite. So which tool is right for you? So let's look at some use cases. So choose Microsoft Bookings if you are already in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. And if you need advanced staff and customer management features, choose the Microsoft Bookings. And if you also run a service-based business with multiple appointment types, you can go with the Microsoft Bookings. And choose Calendly, guys, if you want a simple user-friendly scheduling tool and if you're looking for flexibility across various industries and workflows. And also, guys, if you need a strong integrations with the tools like Zoom, Slack, and Stripe, you better go with the Calendly. So, both tools shines when integrated with a third-party apps. So, for example, that one is the Microsoft Bookings. It connects seamlessly with Teams for virtual meetings. The client receives a Teams link directly with their booking. And in the Calendly, guys, works well with Zoom, Stripe, and MailChimp for enhanced functionality like payment collection and email marketing. So to sum it up, Microsoft Bookings and Calendly are both fantastic scheduling tools, but they serve slightly different audiences. And if you're already using Microsoft 365 and need a robust scheduling solution for a team or service-based business, this Microsoft Bookings is the way to go. But if you prefer a sleek standalone scheduling app with great integrations, you better go in the Calendly. So thanks for watching this detailed comparison, and if you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, guys. So as you can see here, we have the Calendly. You can go with a free plan, and in the Microsoft, guys, is the Microsoft 365 subscription is included when you avail in the $6 user per month here. So again, guys, which tool is right for you? So you better think about it, guys. So you need advanced staff and customer management features, go with the Microsoft Bookings. And if you're looking for flexibility across various industries and workflows, choose the Calendly. And that's it, guys. So that's a wrap. And if you're using this one, thanks for watching this detailed comparison. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which tool you prefer or if you use a different scheduling app altogether. See you next time, and thank you for watching. Simplify your scheduling. Subscribe now. Bye.